had it on her chopsticks before it broke up. See? She does really well. I'm impressed. Darlene's so upset she didn't get to come. You gonna eat that too?
Hey Darlene, will you please come over, please? I want you to. Oh, love the sushi, come on. Come on. Come over here, baby. Come over here. I'm it.
You're such a ham. You like doing that, don't you? Being silly for the camera. That's right. Watch out. Poke your little brain. That's right. There we go. Now that's the Jules I know and love ever so much. You know I'm going to put this up, don't you?
Huh?
I'm put it up online. And everybody's going to watch you being a goofball. Oh, that's what you were being?
Huh?
Alrighty.
I didn't realize that piece of cement was sitting on. That's the